Are you wondering if these cheap E99 and E88 drones actually have got GPS? So nope, I do not have good news for you. None of them actually get GPS. By the way, all these models are exactly the same. Whatever the name is written on them, they're the same drones basically. So actually today I lost my drone, and due to not having GPS, I obviously can't even find it. And again, if you actually try to control these drones with a phone, the reception isn't good over Wi-Fi. And again, for example, today I literally was only like flying 10 meters above ground, so the distance from the remote and my drone basically was only like 20 meters, and it lost the signal, and it basically took off in air very high and very far, and I couldn't retrieve it anywhere. So these drones are absolute joke when it comes to like reliability and also like actual decent specs. So yeah, they do not have the best quality. Obviously they're cheap toys kind. The cameras are absolutely terrible, and yeah, of course the controls are super unreliable, and they're actually also very hard to fly. So I'm not even getting another one. Complete garbage basically. Anyway, good luck.